Pawpaw Sammy here. Welcome to the channel. Today, farmer's market. I'm fixing to send some ginger to the market. This ginger just grows out here, all worm poop, above ground, and all it gets is worm poop. And it's growing great. Right now, I'm just pulling it out the ground.
If you want to leave that attached to it, you can.
You do?
I mean, you can. Some people actually feed that to their livestock and stuff.
Well, we can send some with it. But it's not likely running short on ginger, you know.
Look at that, guys. That's organic ginger. Do you know how much you would have to pay for this at Walmart or a Whole Foods store? So basically, he's not lying. The only thing he uses to fertilize and grow this in, it's a bucket, open bottom bucket, so it can go all the way into the actual soil. And he uses a heavy mulch, and he grows basically in nothing but heavy mulch that breaks down into compost and worm poop.
And the trick is, you have to add mulch every year. The mulch you're adding today, it's not going to do you any good until next year. And because as much the mulch you added last year is what's working on your plants right now. So you keep adding. It's a never-ending battle. But you can run it.
Look at that ginger. My gosh, that's beautiful.
Well,
it smells. Guys, I wish you could just smell what the smells like, man. It just goes to show you that the foods you're buying, even in Whole Food stores, it's so old by the time you guys get it. If you could smell what this ginger smells like coming out of the ground, you'd be shocked. Now, Daddy, if they buy this from you and they want to plant it, show them the shoots that are ready to start already.
You see this? Oh, and this is the old part from last year. That's what grew this. You just take it, you see that? Take it and stick it right back in the ground. And in a couple of weeks, that's going to come right on up and start multiplying.
That's right.
Just one little piece, eventually we'll fill that up. Might take 2 or 3 years, but it will do it. It will do it. And there's another one, look. See the roots? See the shoot? That's a shoot right there. That's a shoot right there. One there, one there, one there.
You can leave the roots. Some people may buy it just to replant it, Pops.
But I tell you what I do. I come out here and pull it up every once in a while. I don't try to store it. I'll pull up a piece, maybe this big, go in the house and cut it real fine. Throw it in boiling water, let it boil, and throw my tea bags in there. That's ginger tea. And you won't believe how good it is.
Yeah, so I wanted to tell everybody, you can use ginger for your chickens and your rabbits. So if you're dealing with bird flu, just so you guys know, ginger has been proven to get rid of bird flu in chickens. So it's just, oh, that's an old piece.
That is one of the old original roots. Now, it was sprout.
Yeah, look, it's already sprouting.
So that's one of the original plants I put in there. And I'm
years and years ago.
Fixed to put it right back in the ground because it's still alive. It looks rough, but it's still alive.
Yeah, it'll just keep building.
I dropped my hand.
Now, what you hear how it's breaking off, you guys, just so y'all know, look at what we're not getting to.
That's right.
Look at all this. This is all.
That a root.
Yeah, hold on. This is all ginger. Look at that.
A little bit of it.
And because he didn't harvest off of it last year, that's actually last year's ginger.
Look at that.
It's crazy. Look at the amount of ginger. I'm going to take me some of these home and plant them in my yard.
You're welcome. look at that coming out of the ground.
I know. Look at this. Is all ginger, you guys. This whole thing, this entire bucket is look at that. Look. He's just pulling off the top. He ain't even got down here.
I'm not even going down there.
I know. That's what they don't realize.
See that? That'll come back next year.
That's all ginger, folks.
All these buckets here is the same way.
That's all ginger.
I'm going to soak that down with water before we close it up.
That's insane. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to let you bring all this.
How much you want to take?
As much as you want to sell, Dad.
I'll sell it all to a bag.
They'll buy it.
Tell you what I might do. I might just reach in the center.
Ginger is much like, what do you call it? Garlic and onion, you guys. If you're trying to get a survival garden going for medicinal purposes, this is what you need. Things like jalapenos. Good Lord.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yep,
Look at
like,
it.
comment, and subscribe,
Look at the
folks.
shoots. Look at that. It's coming on, baby.